Hi, I'm Noah.
And I'm Kirsten. Welcome to OJH News.
Webb is trying to find school-appropriate songs for the assembly.
So if you have any suggestions, contact Webb leaders, Mr. Mendez, Mrs. Ledesma, or Miss James. ASB is planning a social on October 18th. More details to come.
Now here's a video, Limbo into School.
Limbo, limbo, limbo like me. Limbo, limbo, limbo like me. Big one, small one, and those like me. And if your girlfriend is playing too slow, teach her the limbo and watch her go. Listen now to your souvenir from the club called a Junkanoo. There they sing and do their dance. There the limbo as it chants. Here's Sweet Richard, the cool one. He limbos more than anyone. He limbos left and he limbos right till he goes out of sight. Oh, limbo, limbo, limbo like me. Limbo, limbo, limbo like me. Big one, small one, and those like me. And if your girlfriend is playing too slow, teach her to limbo and watch her go. Peanuts Taylor, the bongo king, plays his drums at the Junkanoo. He beats it soft and he beats it loud. He beats it so that it thrills the crowd. But when it comes to the limbo dance, he moves so fast, he bursts his path. He limbos left and he limbos right till he goes out of sight. Oh, limbo, limbo, limbo like me. Limbo, limbo, limbo like me. Come on, girl, and limbo with me. Yes, limbo. You got to make it, man.
Some drone footage from O'Brien's Club.
Try a flip.
Now we're going to show you 3 little teacher facts.
Teacher number 1. I'm adopted and have 3 last names. My other 2 names have been Ward and Ames.
Teacher 2. Went to China during high school for a track competition.
Teacher number 3. I have attended 5 different colleges and have a degree from 4 of them.
Remember, every day, everybody responsible and successful. Have a great Spartan day.
You did it! 4 of them.
Have a great Spartan day. It's together.
1, 2. I wasn't prepared for that. Ready, set, go.
Have a great Spartan day and remember every day. Every day.
Every day.
It was a fight. It was distracting me.
Okay, restart.
Wait.
Go.
Where do we start from?
Have a great Spartan day.
Have a great Spartan day
and remember every day, everybody.
Responsible and successful.
Okay, start out. Okay.
Have a great Spartan day and remember every day, everybody responsible and successful. I have that memorized.
I can't get it memorized.
Yeah.
I'll just read it.
Here.
Yeah.
No.